a boy from the small city of Ajmer who had a habit of opening and understanding things since childhood. His name was Dilraj Singh Rawat, but today the world knows him as Mr. Indian Hacker. While other kids played, he used to open fans, clocks, and toys to figure out how they worked. One day, his father angrily asked, "Why do you break everything?" Dilraj smiled and replied, "To understand them." Today, he's the heartbeat of millions. Behind every experiment is not just fun, but deep science. He proved failure is just a path, not the final destination. Every time he fell, he came back with a bigger experiment. And today, Mr. Indian Hacker is not just one of India's top experiment channels, but one of the world's. Because when you have passion, anyone can hack their way to success in life.
चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।